Video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable two-step verification on TikTok. And what you're going to do for this is you're going over to your profile section at the bottom right. From here you click on the three stripes at the top right, the hamburger icon basically. From here we click on settings and privacy. In here we are going to security and permissions. And as you can see at the middle part of the screen, you see two-step verification. And as you can see, it is currently off at my profile. So we are going to click on this. And in here, you see the methods which you can use to activate the two-step verification. So you can basically select any of these as long as it is two methods. That's the reason, or that's basically the threshold which will allow you to activate the two-step verification. So at least two, that's the most important thing. You can use your phone number, you can use your email that's linked with your TikTok profile, you can use an app that's basically an authenticator, similar to, for example, the Microsoft Authenticator app, or you can basically use your password. And your password is always a good one to use because, this is the password that belongs to your TikTok profile, and you can basically select any other of these. It is very common to use your phone number these days or your email. So this is up to you. You can basically decide what you want. And when you have everything set up, you can basically click on turn on. And then your account will be set up with two-step verification. So if this video helped you out, please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.